Good morning, my friends. Welcome to this safe space, and thank you for joining me in this meditation for good vibes. I invite you to find a place where you can sit or lie down comfortably for the next 10 or 15 minutes, giving yourself a few moments to settle in. Placing your hands on your lap, one on top of the other. And we're going to begin by relaxing our shoulders, lifting them up to our ears and squeezing them as we inhale for a moment. And then as you exhale, drop your shoulders gently back down and tilt your head to the left for a gentle stretch. And then to the right. Bring your head straight. We're going to take a few deep breaths in. And with each breath, we're going to hold our breath for just a moment before exhaling through our mouth. Ready? Deep breath in through your nose. Hold. And breathe out through your mouth. Deep breath in, filling your lungs. Hold. And breathe out. One more cleansing deep breath in, fill your lungs. Hold your breath for just a moment. And exhale through your mouth with a sigh. Okay, allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. And we're going to focus on our 5 senses today, which is why you are going to hear background noise in this meditation today, as I am filming outside in case you are someplace that is too quiet. Let's start with our eyes. Wherever you are, inside or out, pick something that you can put your focus on for the next few moments. Whether it's a plant, a chair, or something hanging on the wall, just take a few moments to let your eyes trace around the shape of the object. Really noticing any curves or corners that you might see. Do you notice any texture of that object? Maybe there's more than one texture. Smooth surfaces, a pattern. Notice what materials that object is made from. And take some time to appreciate that object. That mundane object that we use and see every day and might not give much thought to. But someone did when they were designing it, creating it, planning it out to be used in someone else's house or home. And then gently close your eyes so that we can begin to focus on our other senses. Our sight feeds us so much information each day that sometimes we block out our other senses. Let's turn to hearing, listening, and what information we pick up with our ears. And notice if you can hear the background noise in my recording. I'm in an area where the neighborhood is beginning to wake up. You might hear a plane overhead. Car passing on the street. Families getting ready to go out for the day. You may hear the birds or the squirrels. See if you can notice the sounds that are far away from you. You don't have to wonder why they are there. Just notice them and let them go. And then see if you can notice sounds that are closer to you. Again, you don't have to wonder why they are there. Just notice them. Identify them and let them go. And now let's turn our focus to our sense of taste. Think about your tongue for a moment. How your mouth is feeling. See if you can drop your tongue from the roof of your mouth and notice how that seems to help relax your whole face. That one little motion. Can you taste anything on your tongue? Maybe you can still taste your morning coffee or the breakfast you just had. Maybe you just brushed your teeth and your mouth is feeling minty fresh. The next time you eat something today, I want you to stop and take a moment and really think about how that food or drink in your mouth tastes. Do you really enjoy what you are eating? Or is it too sweet, too salty? Sometimes we forget to focus on what we're eating and just eat too quickly for the sake of getting on with our day and the numerous tasks we have facing us. And we forget to enjoy our food. And turn your focus to your sense of smell. Take a slightly deeper breath in. Feel the air as it passes through your nostrils. What does the air smell like to you? Our sense of smell is pretty amazing, right? Helps us enjoy our food, as smell and taste are connected. Just take a moment to really enjoy the feeling of the air, noticing how it feels as you breathe in, and how it feels as you breathe out. And then let's turn our attention to our sense of touch. We often think of touch as what our hands can feel. So let's start with that. What do your fingertips feel? Are they touching the skin of your other hand? Or the fabric of your clothes? Moving on to feel the weight of your fingers in your hands. Moving up your arms and shoulders and your chest. How does your skin feel touching the fabric? How your back feels, if it is leaning against a chair. Moving down your body to your hips and your legs. How does it feel and then down to your feet. How do they feel? What are your feet touching? What are your toes touching? And with one deeper breath in, let's gently open our eyes and bring ourselves back to the present moment, to where we are, to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes a little. Slowly get your body moving again. Thank you so much for joining me today. May peace and love go with you throughout your day.